Okay. This is another artifact here. It's called Lack of Faith. Lack of Faith. Check it out. Yeah, you just walk along the forest and you see all this stuff that people have made. I'll show you something here. We're gonna go up there after, and a little burial site up there with some really unique artifacts here. This here, check this out. This is all man-made. Those guys are made of haywire, I believe. And this is made of steel mesh and painted like logs. That's pretty cool. Some big trees in here too. Now I'll take some stills. Thanks, Charley. This is Janice Wassat, Steve Patterson. Okay. There's nothing in there, Charley. That's pretty cool, I think. Okay, I'm gonna make this a short one also, and look around a bit, and the next video.